Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be watching a bunch of videos with everyday things that are like my size. So they're going to be teeny, they're going to be mini. I made a few videos last year of tiny mini foods and it was so much fun. We made the smallest like little unicorn cake. We did all this tiny food baking. I even have a little stand mixer that's like an inch tall and it really works and spins around. It's so cute. It's just adorable. Also, if you like my sweater, you can find it on my website, rosinafancino.com. There's really fun tie-dyes and plushies and signed cookbooks. There's a bunch of stuff over there. So I'll put a link down below. All right, now without further ado, let's watch some tiny, mini, cute, little fun size things. The first one is like a bread bakery. This is so adorable. They've got a little mini kitchen island and they've got mini loaves of bread and they've got a mini oven and they're bagging all the bread and then they're putting them in little teeny shopping bags. This is the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. How do they even tie it? I don't know. But I love it. There's also baguettes in the background that also are tiny. This is a whole tiny bakery and I'm loving all of it. Ooh, this next video is all about cleaning. I love to clean. I am a bit of a neat freak. It relaxes me, so mini cleaning? Never seen it. Now we're in a tiny kitchen and this is adorable. Look at the mini Windex and all the mini, is he vacuuming and dusting? Are you kidding me? Growing up, I didn't have a big fancy dollhouse with all these cool things, so watching people with the minis, I feel like I get to live vicariously through them and experience it. And these are cute rooms, like the kitchens are cute, the living rooms are cute. I mean, they're better decorated than my own living room. Look at this closet. The closet has beautiful wallpaper. There's a mini Louis Vuitton suitcase. Look at these little mini dresses. They have mini Gucci shoes, mini jeans. Look at the little shoes. There's little Chanels on the bottom. This is creative. Instead of Tiffany & Co, it says Tiny & Co. Oh, I love the creativity. And a little mini watch. What time is it? Time for adorableness. Look who joined me, my two tiny dogs. We got Blueberry Muffin, and you see a little bit of Coco over here. I don't know if that's her butt or her head. Okay, back to the videos. Sorry, I get distracted by cute little things and cute little dogs. Oh, jeez. Okay, now this video looks like I'm just looking at a cute kitchen. This doesn't even look like a tiny kitchen. And they're panning and there's like real windows. Like, tell me that doesn't look like a real window. In the sink and the little plumbing underneath. This looks like a real kitchen. Oh my gosh. The only thing that makes me feel this isn't real is that loaf of bread. It's like really sideways. So cute. What an adorable kitchen. Look how little it is. It's so cute. Even their real house looks nice and cozy. That is just adorable. I've never seen something like that. This video says they're making a tiny cheesecake. I want to see. Oh, there we go. Got the butter in the pan. They're cooking it literally over a candle. Oh yeah, gotta make the crust. Oh, that looks good. I love the little spoons and the little whisks. The cutest little whisk I've ever seen. No way, look at the little blender. No, oh, that is the cutest little blender I've ever seen. The little, oh my gosh, look at them. Oh yeah, a little strawberry puree. I have one of those. I literally have the coffee filter. It looks just like that. And gold accents. I need the mini one. This is on my want list. Oh, they're layering it. Yes. Oh my gosh. It's the cutest little piece of cheesecake I've ever seen in my life. It's so cute. I mean, you could just... This reminds me of the video. We did eating tiny food for 24 hours and we even made little desserts and it reminds me of this dessert. So cute. They're almost too cute to eat. Oh my gosh, it's Tiny Scrabble. A tiny board game? There's tweezers in the shot. You need tweezers to just put the little pieces on there. No way. I also love that it says, miniatures make me happy. It's really cute. Sharp, what is this? They're mini Sharpies. My friend Justine would love this. She loves Sharpies. She's got a Sharpie. Look at how cute they are. Oh, can you imagine drawing with a little teeny baby Sharpie? Oh my gosh. Now I know this is a mini kitchen, but this kitchen is gorgeous. I love the white tiling with that dark like grout. This looks so good. Wow. I'm just impressed by the kitchen design and that it's mini. Look at these the orchids. Oh my goodness. I also fall down rabbit holes of watching interior design videos. I love seeing the different styles, and this is giving me interior design and minis. They got a pasta arm. I have this, but a real size one to make coffee, to make it like an individual size coffee. You put the little filter on the top, you put in your coffee grounds, you pour the hot water on, you can make an individual cup of coffee. A drip coffee. My dad used to do this all the time. A mini drip coffee? My heart. I want one. I don't even know what I would do with that. I mean, I could make coffee for little mice or hamsters or something. Hamsters probably shouldn't have coffee, but it would be really cute if they were holding a little coffee cup. All right, this video looks a little bit more DIY. What are we making? We've got the tiniest little paintbrush and all these beautiful colors. Oh, wow, that's very small, very detailed. Oh, okay, like a Tiffany glass lampshade, but just mini. Oh, wow. This would take hours. Holy smokes. Stained glass itself is so detailed and beautiful, but a mini one and a whole lampshade? Oh, geez, that would take 10 years for me to put together. All right, what's cooking good looking? We've got a little mini egg, little bowl. Okay, little spoon, mix it up. Yeah, what are we making? Pancakes, cookies, cake? All right, we've got our dough. Oh, that's a nice dough. We'll make a cinnamon roll, make a bun, make a, oh, dinner rolls. Are we making burgers? Shut up. Are these mini burgers? Oh, yeah. And it cooks over a flame. I can't. With the little seeds on top. Mini lettuce, mini tomatoes, mini burger and cheese. The cutest, smallest sliders I've ever seen in my life. Yum. Just a side note though, don't put the tomato and lettuce on the bottom. You put it on top of the burger. Come on. I think maybe they took so long making the burger, they forgot the order of operations. Whoever is making these loves coffee as much as I do. I love it. Let's see another one. Oh my gosh, it's the little espresso. They're packing it in there. Put in the little espresso handle. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. What is this? I was trying to determine what kind of food they were making. It is not food, everybody. It's a plant. I'm a little embarrassed. That took me way too long to figure out, but it is cute. Oh, they're making mini potato chips. They rolled the little clay like super flat and texturized it a little bit. Put together these mini bags with a little glue and tweezers and then put all these little chips in. That's incredible. That takes forever to fill up that bag. Okay, so this is a lamp. We've got a Turkish lamp. Oh, don't tell me it works. What size lights are those? They look smaller than Christmas lights. They look like mini Christmas lights inside each little lamp. That's beautiful. What's this? Is it a retro fridge, oven? What is this? Okay, the little handle opens, we open it up. It's a little fridge. It's a little mini fridge. Oh, it's a mini bakery. Oh, this reminds me of the bakery that I visited in France. There's wine, there's big, like all these different types of freshly baked bread. Oh my gosh, the size comparison. She put a coffee, a real size coffee and croissant, and then the little one. It's like this big. It's smaller than her thumbnail. Oh my gosh. The coffee lid comes off. You have to take it off with tweezers. It's so small. Oh my gosh. Look at them together. Oh. All right, those are all the miniature videos that we have to watch today. I hope you guys enjoyed them as much as I do. I myself have been falling in love with tiny baking, tiny cooking, tiny crafting. I think it's such an amazing skill, and I'm loving seeing what other people are coming up with. Let me know in the comments below if you like to watch tiny baking or anything miniature out there. I first fell in love with it when I saw someone make a mini burrito for a hamster. That's when I first started falling in love with tiny things, and then now I've just gone down a whole rabbit hole. All right, thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again. Bye, you guys. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. And let me know in the comments down below what other types of videos I should react to.